Okay, I've got this side massaged in real nice. The other side is a little tight still. I need to get this bottom corner out. So I think what I'm gonna do, so I don't puncture it with something hard, I'm gonna take my wire brush, stick it in the corner, and then tap on the handle on this end. Let's see how that works. Alrighty, it worked pretty good. I need to massage it in some more a little, but I need to get a rubber-faced mallet for that so I don't mess up the aluminum. It doesn't quite wrap around this corner. I don't know if it's because this sticks out. It's been a little damage there. I could probably massage it out, but that I'm not really worried about, honestly, because it matches this side. There is a hole on the grill right here, and there's nothing behind it to mount to, but on the fender there is a tab, so I'm assuming there's a bracket that mounts from the fender to the grill bezel. I'll have to look and see if it's somewhere, because it wasn't on the truck when I took it off. It wasn't on the fenders when I took them off the truck. It wasn't on the grill when I brought the grill home, and they weren't there when I took the Bronco apart. So nothing major there. Those can be put back in later, I'm sure, and not vital for what I'm trying to do here. I need to find 2 more of these. I can't remember what these nuts are called. 2 more of these body nuts for this side. 2 more for this side. Well, 1 more for this side. I guess there is one there. I'm hoping I can go take them off of the F-150, but right now it's covered in snow and it's 20 degrees outside, so I'm not doing that. But I'm going to toss the rest of these bolts in on both sides. I need 3 more on each side, and then I need to pull out these little rivets right here so I can place the rivets through this rubber. I know this rubber's kind of in bad shape, but it's okay. It'll be alright. And then I was missing these 2 screws that go in here, or 2 bolts. So I found these ones in my bolt bin. I think they look perfect for what I'm trying to accomplish here. Let's get after it. Crazy girl. Alright, cleaning up the headlight buckets. Put some rust transformer on there after brushing them up. Got the grill set in. I'm really liking the chrome grill. I don't know if I'm going to go with black. I'm going to have to order some more of these lock tabs for the grill. I only have 3 of them, and it takes 6 for the grill, and then 1 bolt in the bottom over here. Yeah, I don't know. I'm really liking the way that looks. Seems like it's been years since I've had this thing together, even though I just took it apart like 3 months ago. I don't know, I'm just kind of speechless, I guess. It's not perfect, but I don't know, I haven't tore a vehicle down this far and put it back together yet. And I still have a long ways to go, but I'm proud of my progress, and I'm excited about more progress, so. Get the headlight buckets, let the headlight buckets dry overnight, then I'll get the headlights put back in, get the chrome bezels put back on the headlights and see how it looks. But probably going to stick with chrome because I can switch it out to black later down the road if I want to. These headlight bezels and grill could be changed out in 20 minutes. I mean, easily. But I need to look and see. Do some looking online for the bracket that goes from here to the fender. Yeah. And the hood is going to go on with all of its lovely patina. It'll be painted eventually. I'll probably see if I can get it cleaned out on the inside and get the what the hell is it called, the bracing sealed down, because it's a little loose in a couple spots. Get some automotive glue or silicone, or whatever the hell it's called. And then I know I've been saying I'm going to get the fuel system done, but I've changed my mind on that. For now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the rest of the tank removed, get the fuel tank straps removed, all the lines, everything out from underneath there. And since I have a working fuel system under the hood right now, and I'm not driving it on the road, I'm going to get some gas in it. Once it warms up, I'm going to pull it outside, up on the vehicle ramps, and pressure wash underneath of there before I even go to put a new tank in. Just get it as clean as I can now the tank's out. So, yeah, that's where I'm at right now. You guys, ladies, gentlemen, you have a good night. I'll check back in tomorrow probably. All right, after doing some digging, I found this bracket, and from my best guesses, that's the one I'm looking for. So now I need to find a second one. Hopefully I have one. If not, this will actually be pretty easy to replicate at work on lunch break. Just take a piece of flat steel, bend it up, drill some holes in it, maybe weld some nuts on the backside if I can't get thin enough steel. But that is what I was looking for, so at least it gives me an idea on where to go next if I can't find another one.